This comment is a common misguided popular belief, but this is what science actually says about human biology and why this type of thinking is harmful. While the brain is an extremely fascinating and complex organ, there absolutely are differences in male and female brains, and there is tons of research to back this up. Most recently, a study at Stanford Medicine published in 2024 showed that an AI model achieved 90% accuracy in identifying whether a brain scan belonged to a male or female brain. This study, along with many others, showed that there are consistent identifiable differences in functional connectivity of male and female brains, most notably in the default mode network involved in self-referential thought processing and internal processing, the striatum involved in reward-seeking motor control and decision-making, and the limbic network involved in emotion, memory, and learning. Yes, we live on a spectrum, but even this spectrum is sex-biased, meaning that hormonal profiles, environmental factors, and genetic influences impact the connectivity and structure of male and female brains differently. This was shown in a study released in 2020, which demonstrated that a larger household only increased the size of the brain region called the amygdala in females and not men. Denying our own physiology is what leads to isolation and makes us vulnerable to ideologies we haven't critically assessed. Understanding your own biology is an act of self-awareness, and it informs the choices that are in your own best interest. On a larger scale, it allows for more accurate treatment options in medicine, where sex differences in conditions like Parkinson's, mood disorders, and developmental disorders like autism are well documented. Choosing to ignore these differences in favor of a personal narrative can breed systemic ignorance. True progress requires us to look at the data even when it contradicts personal projections, because that is how we improve lives.